Now, we have gotten several inches of snow, but that's not the only problem we're dealing with. Frigid temperatures have settled into our region, even freezing over the Allegheny River. But we still haven't seen the coldest weather yet, though. KDKA First Alert meteorologist Ray Petlin is back now, tracking real temperatures in the negatives. Ray?
Oh, yeah, these temperatures are going down. It's going to be very, very cold tomorrow morning. That's why you probably see a bunch of closings and delays running, and we're going to end up seeing a very cold stretch through this week with our temperatures for the next several days likely not getting any better than the teens. And what's going on is we have the polar vortex. I know it's a weird sounding name, but the polar vortex is a semi-permanent, meaning it's pretty much always up there in the pole. Sometimes it weakens and it sends out this energy that comes towards us in the form of colder air, and you get this real wavy pattern in the jet stream, and that lets that cold air punch into you. So we're looking at some colder conditions that are going to just be consistent. You get the shots and shots of this colder air coming down the line over the next couple of days, and that's going to keep our temperatures low, and any breezes are going to keep those wind chills absolutely awful. So here's what it's going to look like for you. Early tomorrow morning, we're looking at wind chill temperatures, or feels like temperatures, in the teens and low 20s below zero. Very, very cold. This is going to be the coldest feeling setup we have seen yet this season. Tomorrow, the best it's going to feel is about maybe 2-3 degrees in most cases. And then Wednesday, early in the morning, we're looking at some big time wind chills again. So we have a cold or extreme cold warning for tomorrow that runs until 11 a.m. Today, we had some snow showers that gave us another 2/3 inch of snow to add to everything else we got. For the month, we're running at 11 inches, which is 6.5 above average. But for the season, we're almost 15 inches above average. So we've been doing pretty well in the snowfall department. We did have some snow showers earlier this evening. Those have wrapped up, but tomorrow we're going to see a very moisture-starved Alberta clipper dropping in here, and that's going to drop a little more snow between what we had today and what we get tomorrow. 1 to 2 inches. This is not going to be anything impressive, and it's not going to be anything that's really noticeable compared to what we had yesterday with our 11.2 there. So maybe a little snow gets added to it. -1 tonight, dangerously cold once you factor in those wind chills. Mostly cloudy skies are expected, and the actual temperature tomorrow is only going to make it up to 19 degrees if we're lucky. So a really cold setup, cloudy skies, and then later in the day we see those snow showers trying to develop. Over the next 7 days, our temperatures, they drop, and we are looking at 13 on Wednesday, 14 on Thursday, Friday, 11. That's it. 11 degrees, but that early morning low -8, and that could come with another extreme cold warning going on there, as any little breezes with a setup like that are going to make it feel awful. Our temperatures do try to come up for early next week, 19 by Sunday, and then with a little more moisture, you get some more warm air and 28 degrees, but that's going to probably squeeze out some snowflakes a week from now.
Ray, thank you. And if you need a place to get out of the cold, Pittsburgh is opening up several warming centers tomorrow. Those will be at the Healthy Active Living Community Centers in Beechview, Greenfield, Sheridan, and the South Side. They'll be open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can also call 211 for help anywhere in the state.